box with the horse boys.
I'm a better.
Somebody.
Oh yeah, Bobby, you got it.
Get there. Flow Manifesto.
Tell them where it is.
Bayside in 8 o'clock. Be sharp. Don't be a nigga and be late.
You know what I'm saying? Here we go.
Bobby, get him.
Somebody.
He gonna do the beat.
Let me think about it.
Check the rhyme, your productions in tight.
Ooh.
Hey, one man got the mic, yo.
He got it.
I got it.
Huh?
Yo, I want that Donald Trump money, but no toupee. Off the top of the dome, call me Bobby. Take your girl down like Two Flesh. My nigga smoking loud. Who's they? That's the kickback. We trying to check up. I murder everybody. We don't care who's next up, cause I'm the best when I be spitting. And all of this off the top, it ain't written. A lot of people listening, a lot of people biting, a lot of people talk loud, but there ain't no fighting. I'm just reciting the shit that I've been through. Yeah. All my peers been through too. 7-4 to the world, blow Janetti me. Yeah, we got the blue flag, but we chillin', dude. Everybody understand we about the life, but we ain't gotta talk about it. Yeah, I spit about the strife, the shit I've been through, struggling life. I put it together, I call that strife. And everybody know that my wounds cut deep from the knife that they stuck in my bag. Then they had a smile on their face, said, you know I got you, bro. But everybody know that I'm from Chicago, and I spit that flow that everybody can't. Pass it to the left and let them take the beat rock.
Let them take the beat and drop it. Let them take the beat and monopolize and just get a hot bitch. You talking about that money, I ain't killing nobody. I'm killing this beat like I'm killing the money. You talking stacking paper, stacking that bread, I'm stacking the dough. Let the beat come in so I can catch my fucking flow.
My bad, I wanted to hear it.
I'm recording.
I ain't got no water, nothing. Goddamn
Follow, man. Man, you gotta.
Go ahead. Still going?
It's a better flow off beat.
The entire time.
Hey. It's still on you? Yeah. I'm gonna pass it off in a second, though. I'm gonna let you know what my lesson is, though. I'm trying to get a message to these little kids. All these people in these houses and they struggling. I'm trying to preach to the wild and I'm about to freestyle. And my mind is like Michael Kyle. I'm about to style. Fuck around and I'm so fucking high that my mind's so blunt. And I'm not trying to stunt, just trying to
Ding.
And I don't even know what I'm supposed to say. I'm just over here. It's a great place to play. That's what the signs say. I'm just reading off mine. I'm just going off the top one time. Okay, I freestyle a little, get a free smile, get a girl over here. She stays for a little while. You know we like to party. Everybody here and it's like to get Harley. Anytime they give me a break, I'm just rhyming. You know, for Pete's sake, I rock out whenever they want me to, and I just keep going right to the venue.
Let me catch you. It's on there. Say, don't usually freestyle, but I'm here with the kickback, gotta go wild. I got a different kind of style, old school like 1992. And who knew this team was born in 92? Yo, I think I see my boo, but my boo gon' turn into another man boo. Added him, she gon' blow it up like boom. Sweet the sidewalk boom. I'm just spitting off the dome. At the venue, asked how to find my home like 631. I'm just trying to read too. And yeah, I said that before. The beat switch. I never called my woman a bitch. Unless she really act like a bitch. I'ma pass it in a minute. Because I'm in the circle and I'm going to send it. I mean, I'm gonna go and send it. Yeah, just give me a shot of gin.
I'm drunk off the gin. No pad, freestyle shit. Seeing like the devil. Come to my level. Destroy all competitors. I'm alive, hear me roar. I'm coming out the cages. Spin these lyrical pumps with the gauges. Boom, boom. Watch the side blow. The boy move, see his ass glow. Smooth like Gators. Maury. Let me pass it off, man.
Okay,
Oh, Tizzle.
I'm trying to scare her skin. It's so hot, she got me selling dents. Selling dents into a state of mind. And her body, oh my gosh, it's so fine. But yo, check out the lines of my composure. I'm steady going over these lines like I hover your mind, and in time I can show you that I'm the truest king. And you don't get back to chilling with the niggas on the rillin'. The niggas just grillin', they fishing, equipping with their lines, monkey flipping composition. When I rhyme, man,
Go send.
Hey, yo.
Hey, Janetti back. Somebody grab the beat.
I don't know the fucking beat. It's on me?
That's on him.
He beat it.
Oh, you ain't going?
He passed it. I'm passing.
Do it again.
Nah, just keep
I
going.
know we started once to go to him, so.
No, we started with.
I know what I'm saying.
The world, man.
Yeah, he started it.
Yugoslavian man.
Did he?
When I was in the Turkish mountains.
Oh.